to the channel. We are supposed to find the area painted blue from this rectangle. As you can see, we have two triangles, a trapezium at the middle and the rectangle. We need to find the area painted blue, a trapezium. The area is equal to a half in the bracket a plus b multiplied by h. I'll call distance a. This is equal to EF, which they don't give us, and b, this is the same as distance AB. This is also equal to distance DC. This is equal to 25 centimeter. H is equal to 14 centimeter. Let us find distance A first. From the figure, distance A, E plus EF plus FB, this is equal to AB, which is 20. AE is 9. EF, we call it A, plus FB, 11. This is equal to 25. Here is 25. 9 plus 11 plus A, this is equal to 25. 9 plus 11, we get 20. Plus A, this is equal to 25. Take 20 to the right hand side, we get A is equal to 25. Take away 20, we get A is equal to 5 centimeter. But area is equal to a half in the bracket A plus B multiplied by H. So our area is equal to a half. We get A5 plus B. B is equal to 25 multiplied by H, which is 14. This is equal to a half multiplied by 5 plus 25, we get 30, multiplied by 14. By 2, we get 1. By 2, this is 7. We get area is equal to 210 centimeter square. I hope you understand. Let me leave with you with the question. You're supposed to find the length AB given the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 76 centimeter square. I will be happy to see your answer. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.